Good morning. This is Megan Herbst with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report for Saturday, January 8th. The first thing I'd like to talk about this morning is a recent news release that was put out by the Minnesota Board of Water and Soil Resources that highlights the delisting of a local impaired water body, which is Lake George, and that water body is actually going to be removed from the state's impaired waters list in 2022. So that is great news. And for those of you that don't know, Lake George is located in downtown St. Cloud. It's surrounded by a park. It's about 8.5 acres in size, and it draws paddlers and ice skaters every year, along with a weekly summer music series that attracts thousands of people as well. And for 2 decades, the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District and the City of St. Cloud have worked together to improve water quality and clarity for that nutrient-impaired lake. Early projects included the 2002's shoreline naturalization and stabilization of the shoreline. And the most recent project, which was backed by a $697,000 Clean Water Fund grant that the Soil and Water Office received in 2019, resulted in a constructed underground regional stormwater management structure, and that was built in 2020. The structure is designed to trap and remove sediment and nutrients from the runoff before it enters the lake, which targets a 47-acre drainage area and will reduce phosphorus by an estimated 27 pounds and sediment by 7 tons per year. Work by the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District and the City of St. Cloud contributed to improved water clarity from 5.8 feet in 2010 to nearly 10 feet in 2021. Which is really remarkable. And for more information, you can look on the City of St. Cloud's website. So congratulations to all of the staff, both from the City of St. Cloud and the Stearns County SWCD that contributed to that project. Secondly, I just have a couple of upcoming events I want to talk about this morning. The first one is the Northern Soil Compaction Conference, which is being hosted by the University of Minnesota Extension, along with Manitoba Ag and Resource Development and the North Dakota State University. And it's going to be a virtual event hosted or held on January 26th and 27th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And it's basically going to talk a lot about compaction and how that affects root and crop growth, water infiltration, crop fertility, crop diseases, and other things. Many management practices exist to help fix the compaction and avoid it in the future. And then these practices range from the use of cover crops, crop rotations, tillage and controlled traffic, proper tire inflation, so on and so forth. And so these things are all going to be addressed at this Northern Soil Compaction Conference. It's really a unique opportunity to hear the latest in technical advice from experts based in the U.S., Canada, and Sweden on how to deal with current compaction, how to build proven strategies to minimize your risk in the future, and to discuss benefits that you can expect from reduced compaction. During the conference, they will discuss management strategies to alleviate or avoid the negative effects of compaction, and there will also be small breakout sessions for a more in-depth discussion. And that event, again, it's going to be for 2 days, January 26th and January 27th from 9 in the morning to 1 p.m. For more information, you can visit z.umn.edu/NSCC 2022. Another simple way is to just Google Northern Soil Compaction Conference, and that will bring you to the website as well. There is a cost for the 2-day conference, and it is $50. The second upcoming event I want to talk about is the Cultivating Soil Health workshop in Little Falls. This is an in-person workshop, and it's going to take place on Monday, January 17th from 9 a.m. to noon at the Little Falls VFW. Participants will learn about soil health, hear success stories from local farmers who use cover crops, learn about alternative forages, and also about coping with farm and rural stress, which is a really big topic right now, an important topic too. The workshop will include a question and answer session and will be followed by a lunch. You can contact Amy Roebuck with Centra for inquiries and reservations. She can be reached at 612-400-3974. Again, 612-400-3974. Again, that's called the Cultivating Soil Health Workshop, and it's going to be at the Little Falls VFW on Monday, January 17th. That's about it for me. If you have any questions about any of the topics I covered today, or if you're interested in implementing conservation practices on your property, please feel free to contact the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District at 320-251-7800 extension 3. Again, 320-251-7800 extension 3. Thank you very much and have a wonderful weekend. This has been Megan Herbst with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your Conservation Report.